These houses is powered by solar. So another done solar installation na naman po ng JT4 Solar Trading and Installation. For today's video, ito nga po, ipapower on po namin yung 24 kilowatt hybrid solar setup. At ito po, nandito po kami ni Boss G sa bubong. So si Boss G po ang owner at CEO ng JT4 Solar and Installation. Ayan, so napaka-hands-on niya and dedicated sa trabaho, kaya po nung natatapos na Customer Choice Award is nabigyan po siya ng award. Ayan po yung kanyang plaque. At dito po guys is kinukommissioning na po yung natapos na solar setup para mapagana na po yung system, yung solar setup guys. Ayan, at dito guys is natapos na. So ayan po yung bahay na powered by solar. Ayan, kita nyo naman po guys is puno ng ilaw and another done solar installation ng JT4 Solar.